Best deals.
1. Infuser. Crafted for loose leaf tea lovers, this elegant round infuser makes every brew effortless and flavor-rich. Made with food-grade stainless steel, rust-resistant. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Herb Keeper. Keeps herbs fresh longer, designed with a built-in water reservoir that helps maintain moisture around herb stems, supporting freshness for herbs such as coriander, mint, parsley, dill, basil, rosemary. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Storage Crates. This collapsible plastic storage box is an ideal wardrobe organizer for clothes, accessories, and everyday household essentials. Its foldable design allows it to collapse flat when not in use, helping save space in cupboards, wardrobes, shelves, or kitchen corners. Designed for efficient vertical organization. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Coffee Mug. Free from harmful chemicals like BPA, formaldehyde, and melamine, and no toxic chemicals used in manufacturing. It is also dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Frying Pot. It is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, which is tempura deep frying pot withstands high heat, and the heat in the pot remains even. It is compatible with all cooktops, including induction cooker, electric stoves, gas. It is equipped with a thermometer to keep an eye on the temperature during cooking, can get a higher level of fried food, and can make oil temperature control more. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Slicer. Sharp stainless steel blades for uniform slicers. Precision cross blade design delivers even cuts. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Collapsible Tub. Discover the ultimate versatility with our collapsible tub bucket set, featuring 3 distinct sizes. Whether as a portable wash basin for hand washing, a collapsible basin for kitchen use. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Toilet Paper Holder. Waterproof design with protective cover keeps toilet paper clean and dry. Easy self-adhesive installation with no drilling required and no wall damage. Built-in phone shelf provides convenient space for mobile phones or small items. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Brush. Thoroughly cleans knives, forks, and other cutlery with ease. Built-in sharpener keeps your knives razor sharp. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pot Lid Holder. Are made of high-quality PP, non-toxic, heat-resistant, BPA-free, sturdy and durable. Useful for kitchen countertops and dining table. The mushroom is detachable for space save when not in use. The spoon holder looks so cute and stylish. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Blender. Inbuilt unit hanger and ergonomically designed push-button switch for convenient and safe operation. Detachable ABS blender stem for ease of cleaning. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Bag Clips. These innovative food bag sealing clips feature a unique 2-in-1 design with a sealing lid, allowing you to pour contents directly from the bag without needing to remove the entire clip, providing a hassle-free experience and keeping food items fresh and protected, minimizing spills and waste. The robust design ensures a tight closure. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Drying Rack. Made from premium breathable mesh and sturdy steel wire for durability and efficient airflow during drying. 3 spacious layers provide ample room for drying herbs, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and clothing. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Basket. These under-shelf hanging baskets utilize the unused vertical space below your shelves, making them ideal for decluttering and organizing small or compact areas in your home, office, or utility spaces effortlessly. Instantly create additional storage. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cleaning Brush. Has 45 degrees angled handle, reduces bending, while trapezoidal bristle layout reaches corners for thorough cleaning. Flow brush with long handle perfectly works on tiles, floors, walls, sinks, and decks. The long bristles make daily cleaning easier. Cleaning brush long stainless steel handle resists bending. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cookie presses. The decorative bake mold gives a professional edge to your cooking and baking skills. The 6 molds feature different designs that are suitable for decorating your baked goodies. By turning the knob on the handle to adjust the height of the mold. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Net Lid. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel for ensuring durability. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cylinder Trolley. Is designed for extreme Indian kitchen conditions. Made of high-quality steel. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Containers. This airtight container is part of a versatile kitchen container set, serving as a durable storage box for kitchen, ideal container boxes for storage, and a reliable plastic container for kitchen to keep food fresh and organized, serving as a versatile storage kitchen organizer and providing airtight containers. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Can carry handle. Built with strong, durable plastic for lifting 20-25 liter water cans, jars, and pails with ease. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Strainer. Crafted from durable stainless steel for long-lasting kitchen performance, this rice strainer rod withstands regular home and commercial cooking tasks. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Egg Yolk Separator. Are made from premium food-grade silicone, ensuring they are both safe and durable for all your kitchen needs. The non-toxic material is BPA-free and resistant to odors and stains, effortlessly separate egg yolks from whites. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Strainer. Were made of premium silicone and plastic. Silicone underside prevents scratching sink effectively, non-deforming. Long-lasting protection against clogging, dishwasher safe. Ergonomic design slot holes that trap food debris, prevent clogging, and drains water easily. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Colander. Works for draining most foods like spaghetti, pasta, potatoes. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Spices Grinder. Made from durable, high-quality stone for long-lasting use and a rustic aesthetic, perfect for grinding spices, making pesto. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Drainer Rack. The multipurpose dish drainer basket utensil stand, dish drying rack, and bartan stand, ideal for holding kitchen vessels securely, while the countertop organizer rack provides ample space to neatly store. The perfect kitchen companion simplifies organization and storage, keeping your countertop tidy and your tasks efficient. It's an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Ice Cube Tray. Makes 56 square ice cubes at once, 28 per layer, ideal for family use, parties, and daily drinks. Smart press to release mechanism drops ice cubes effortlessly without twisting, bending, or spilling. Airtight cover prevents dust, odors, and freezer smell from entering. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Egg Separator. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Oil Sprayer. Filling this versatile oil spray bottle with your favorite oils, sunflower oil, vinegar, soy sauce, lemon and lime juice, sherry or masala wine. It can be widely used for salad making, cooking, baking, roasting, grilling, frying, BBQ and so on. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Grater. Perfect for effortlessly shredding cheese, carrots, and ginger. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Crinkle Knife. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel blade and non-stick black coating for smooth, precise cutting. Unique crinkle blade design creates attractive ripple slices for potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, fruits, cheese, and more. Anti-slip handle ensures safe and comfortable cutting. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Chopper. Twin blade technology, detachable double-layer stainless steel system provides quick and efficient chopping and dicing operation. Be it coarse, medium or fine, the chopper does it all. Bullet has a stainless steel finish in front which enhances the look of the appliance. Easy press down button and anti-slip base facilitates fast and convenient operation. Chop in one go, no extra buttons or switches. Made from unbreakable ABS plastic for long-lasting and hassle-free use, this appliance takes care of your chopping needs. Multi-splash guard bowl lid is used as a cover of processing bowl after chopping. The bowl of is dishwasher safe, extra durable and provides visibility to chopping levels. With 0.9 L bowl, chop veggies, dice fruits, prepare salad and create bread crumbs. Sharp detachable stainless steel twin blades provide efficient chopping and dicing. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Appam pan. Naturally stick resistant enamel coating lets you cook with less oil and requires no seasoning. Free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead and cadmium for safe, chemical-free cooking. Compatible with all cooktops. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Roti box. Stainless steel is a popular choice for these containers because it's durable, easy to clean, and resistant to rust and corrosion. It also helps in maintaining the freshness of the stored food. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Mat. Are made of high-quality EVA material, which is BPA-free and safe to contact with food directly. The fridge liner is a must-have refrigerator accessories for any RV, home or kitchen. You can use it without worrying about any harm. One side designed with durable long stripe pattern. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Soap dispenser. Perfect for busy multitasking. Simply press the sponge down to dispense the exact amount of soap. No more struggling with slippery bottles with wet hands. Upgraded with a high-quality pump and a solid base tray that catches all excess water. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Electric coconut scraper. Patented Vortex blade innovation featuring our exclusive patented Vortex blade technology. This new generation coconut scraper delivers faster, smoother, and more efficient coconut grating than conventional scrapers. Designed to maximize coconut extraction while reducing effort, making fresh coconut preparation easier than ever. Powerful motor and high torque performance equipped with a 6-part gear wheel system and 200 cob design, this coconut scraper delivers high torque and stable operation, making coconut grating faster and effortless for daily cooking. Dual mode operation for easy control features dual power switch and operating switch, allowing you to control the machine conveniently and safely while maintaining smooth operation. Anti-skid and anti-tilt safety design comes with anti-slip base and anti-tilt locking system, keeping the machine stable on flat surfaces and preventing movement during use. Multifunctional and compact design includes multifunction sharpening stone and blade holder for storage, making it easy to maintain and store. Ideal for home kitchens, restaurants, and coconut-based food preparation. Introducing the electric coconut scraper machine with Vortex blade, engineered to make coconut grating faster, cleaner, and effortless for both home kitchens and commercial use. Gone are the days of manual scraping and wrists. This machine is built around a high-torque motor that delivers consistent power and speed, so you can grate one coconut in under 30 seconds. The secret is the Vortex blade design, a precision-engineered stainless steel blade that spins in a vortex motion to shred coconut flesh evenly without crushing or wasting any part. You get fine, fluffy gratings every time, perfect for cooking, sweets, chutneys, desserts, and bulk food preparation. The machine features a dual-mode switch that puts you in control. Switch to mode 1 for soft scraping and fine grating, ideal for fresh coconuts used in chutneys and garnishes. Switch to mode 2 for high-speed, high-torque grating that powers through mature, hard coconuts in seconds. This dual-mode flexibility means you don't need separate machines for different types of coconut. Whether you're running a small home kitchen, a bakery, a restaurant, or a catering business, this scraper adapts to your workload. Safety and stability were built in from the ground up. The anti-skid base uses heavy-duty suction feet to lock the machine firmly to any kitchen countertop. No wobbling, No sliding, even at full speed. That means safer operation, less vibration, and cleaner results. The body is made from food-grade, corrosion-resistant materials with a sleek, modern finish that looks great on any counter and is easy to wipe clean. The detachable scraper bowl and blade make post-use cleaning simple, just rinse and you're done. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Spiral Vegetable Slicer. Unleash your culinary creativity with this vegetable spiral slicer, expertly engineered to transform carrots and similar vegetables into eye-catching, spiral slicers. Elevate your dishes with a pop of color, texture, and artistry, making every meal a masterpiece. Boasting a premium, razor-sharp cutting blade, the slicer ensures durability and consistent performance. It produces uniform spirals, enhancing the professional appeal of your culinary creations with guaranteed precision, slice after slice. Not just for carrots, this tool is your creative partner for a variety of vegetables like cucumbers, enabling you to garnish salads and dining plates with flair. It's a versatile must-have for every kitchen, inviting sophistication into your meals. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, our spiral slicer democratizes gourmet plate presentation, making it attainable for chefs of all skill levels. Discover the ease of adding decorative spirals to your dishes, transforming the everyday into the extraordinary. Product link is given in the 38th link.